You see the whole thing?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Bridge out. Fuck! What? Use at low water flow, subject to washing during heavy rainfall. Okay, it's alright. Hopefully. I can't see.
You can see a reflection of the mountains in the lake. It looks good. You see how far? You see how far the water was now?
Holy crap. What?
There's a waterfall. We're one in the river and one again after the fall. Swimming through the void, we hear the word. We lose ourselves, but we find it all.
Giver!
'Cause we are the ones that wanna play. Always wanna go, but you never wanna stay. We are the ones that wanna choose. Always wanna play, but you never wanna lose.
Are provided by Doodles. There you go, good for you. Holy fuck, Ryan. You're gonna end up losing your back by the end of the night. Holy fuck.
Swimming through the void, we hear the word. We lose ourselves, but we find it all. 'Cause we are the ones that wanna play. Always wanna go, but you never wanna stay.
The first person on the Union dating service is Ryan Holmes. He enjoys Star Wars and going down on actresses. Observe. Oh, you're getting tired of blowing mattresses? This is where we're camping here at Stave Lake, and early morning glances is brought to you in part by our friends at Arm & Hammer. And having trouble focusing, so I'll just move on. These are lake. Water level's way down. Usually they'll slow it down and just drop it so they go around here and slip around the mud. Lately, Environment Canada's been running these commercials saying that 25,000 liters of oil go missing each year. Well, at least 5,000 of them end up here. Well, 40 liters are most likely thanks to Ryan. Don't know about the rest of it. If you get need some more oil, if Environment Canada's interested, you come pick it up. This would be my shoe. And my new Subaru brown socks. I think it's time to head back. Enjoyed mud bath. Stave Lake journey is concluded here at ATF Lake. Stave Lake also has many other surprises, including clear cut, thanks to Forestry BC, and also the Stave Lake Smell a Day, which is diesel with a slight hint of transmission fluid. I'd like to thank Environment Canada and Forestry BC for ensuring a better tomorrow. Note to self, no more swimming in Stave Lake. It's time for Ryan to enjoy the most soothing wake-up sound you could ever hear. You like that? Oh, come on. There you go.